Okay. So what we're going to do now is just kind of look at another type of math problem that you're going to encounter if you play the game Minecraft. And I'm going to go down to my mine. And while we do that, we're going to talk about, I'm going to direct your attention to the sort of the second chunk where it says X, Y, Z, and then it gives you three different numbers. And then the middle number, the Y number, is going down. And those three numbers tell you where you are in relation to the origin point of this game. So it's basically you're walking around in a big 3D sort of graph right now, if you want to think of it that way. And so we're down and we're at head level of 9 for Y, and up at the top there, I checked before I came down and it was head level of 60. So what I want to do is when I started off this game, you can see it's a long way. I didn't want to spend a lot of time building a big staircase or doing a lot of wasting time getting down here, getting at the minerals at the bottom of the level. So I dug straight down, but I didn't have the tree farm or any of the other stuff that you saw. So I just kind of wanted to know how much wood I would need to make a ladder and to sort of just show you how that process would go. So I've got my oak wood planks that we remember, and I'm going to make some, well, I'm on fire there, so a little bit of danger. Maybe I'll use my bucket of water. Always carry a bucket of water. That's pro tip of the day for you guys. And this is stuff that only happens in survival mode. It's not going to happen in creative. But anyways, so now we have my oak wood planks, and let's just make a bunch of sticks. So we've now taken our planks and we've made sticks, and now we want to go 3. This is the shape to make a ladder. 4, 5, 6, 7, and we get 3 ladders from that. And this is kind of interesting because just right here we can just show you how you can sort of solve an SLO in this game. In the patterns and relations, SLO 9 PR.3, you're supposed to have students model and solve problems using linear equations, and one of the examples of an equation is AX plus B. So conceptually, it's, you know, however many times one equals another. And you can model the solution of a linear equation using concrete or pictorial representations. So here's a stick that's a picture that also has sort of a concrete effect in this game, and we're gonna get some ladders out of it. So I think that if we say that we had, you know, 2 oak wood X's equals 1 ladder with 1 left over, I think that's you know, there's some good math in that. It's kind of a simple way to say it. And that's something that happens just for playing the game, but sort of back to get on topic here. When I built this originally, I only wanted to build or harvest enough wood to make this ladder. So I had to be able to use that equation we just worked on to harvest enough wood to make sure that I had enough to get down from the top level down to where I wanted to end up.